Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is Richard from StreamTVUK.com and this is the ProBox2 Air. In the next 10 to 15 minutes you're going to see us unbox and review this great new Android streamer. But right now you can win this box by just subscribing to our channel. When we hit 5,000 subscribers we'll pick one of you at random and the box is yours.
'Cause I can fly, I can fly.
Hey guys, it's Richard from StreamTVUK.com. This is the ProBox2 Air and we're going to demo it and show you what it can do right now. So, this is how it comes. We'll just open it up. A bit of a user guide. Setup instructions. Here's the box itself, very solid. It's got the external antenna socket, so you know you're going to get good Wi-Fi signal. On the back we've got the power input, USB socket, HDMI, Ethernet and optical audio, and then on the side you've got one more USB socket and a micro SD card slot. Looks like there's going to be a little light on the front. Underneath you've got the reset button just there, and that's the box. Let's have a look and see what else we get. Okay. Very heavy, which probably means that it's good quality. There's quite a lot in here. So you've got standard UK power adapter. It's the 2 amp version, 5 volt 2 amp I think it is. Let me just check. Yeah, 5 volt 2 amp. Comes with its own HDMI cable. Now this is interesting. Is this the dongle? Yeah, that's the dongle for the Air remote. Okay. So I believe that this is the Air remote. It doubles as a gamepad, which I think is a really good idea. So you've got buttons A and B and X and Y. Anyway, we'll have a look at that when we get into it, but that seems like a pretty good remote. And finally, looks like there's another remote and your aerial antenna. So that's just a standard box remote, but it'll be interesting to see what the other remote does, because it's an Air remote, the other one. Okay, connecting the box up, it's pretty simple. All I've done so far is just screw in the antenna to the side. Next job, we'll put in the HDMI cable and then the Ethernet cable. Okay, so we'll just plug the remote dongle into one of the USB ports on the box. I'm going to use this one here on the left because it's nice and easy to see. And then let's just plug it in and see what happens. Okay, so having just turned the ProBox2 on, it's just installing a system update, which is really good because half the time Android boxes won't update at all. And to have this do it automatically on your first boot, I just think that's a really good idea. Nice intro. Okay, so we're on. So let's try the remote. Lovely. So just select your language. I think we should check the time zone. Spot on. We'll just change it to 24 hour. Alright, okay, so now we can even change the screen size here, which is a bonus. So I usually find that the best setting for screen size, certainly on this TV, is 94%. If you can see at the top there, just focus in on that, you can see the time. Well, it's 12:38 I believe, but half that time's missing off at the minute. There we go, it's all on. Yeah, there we go. It's all on 94%, perfect. Okay, now it's asking us to connect to the internet, which is great. But I've already stuck a Ethernet cable in the back, so we don't need to do this. Little disclaimer there saying that this box can pretty much do anything or show you any content, but they're not responsible, which is fair enough. And here's a first look at the home screen, and it's not like any home screen that I've seen before. Very clean, minimalist. So let's have a look and see. So we're on home at the minute. Looks like there's plenty of different categories. I think what we'll do now, we'll switch over to TeamViewer Quick Support, and then I'll take it on from there. I'd really appreciate it if you could subscribe to the channel. Just search StreamTVUK, find our channel, and hit subscribe. And then do me a big favour, hit the little bell, and that'll alert you to any new videos. Send me notifications for this channel, and hit save. And then every time we release a new video, you'll know about it. Thanks very much.